Today, this is $1 million spaghetti minus the $1 million. So, these are the ingredients we use to make it. I'm sure you can substitute whatever type of sauce or ground beef or whatever type of ingredients you choose to use it. After you cook the beef, you stir in the pasta sauce. Make sure you rinse off your pasta. Mix in the spices. Put in a little bit of cheese. And we're getting ready to bake this thing. Stir the sauces in together. You put the red sauce, the meat sauce on top. You spread it out a little bit. And you get ready to put it in the oven. And it's cooking. It's done. Let's take a bite. This came out so good. Give it a shot. Let me know what you think. If you got a tip for the next time I do it, put it below.